Bob's Appiana. They shut down Eve St. Loriana. I don't want you on my page, Blackiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana. They cop.
Okay, y'all, so I am on my way to Popeyes right now. I decided that I want to try the chicken sandwich, and everybody keeps telling me that I need to try the chicken sandwich. So yesterday I drove past Popeyes, and I tell y'all it was a line down freaking 8 Mile because the chicken sandwich was bad. But I'm like, I'm not waiting in that line. I'm not about to do all that for no chicken sandwich. And then I get mixed reviews. A lot of people say it's good, a lot of people say it's not. So I'm like, I got some time to kill. Let me just run up inside real quick. The line is so long for this Popeyes chicken sandwich. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This makes no sense. How long? What? And it's a line on the inside, y'all. I'm walking inside of Popeyes right now to get a freaking chicken sandwich. And the line is long. Shit. Thank you. So I'm guessing the line starts back here. Wow.
12 seconds later. Few inches later.
I'm still in line.
Eventually.
10 minutes later, I'm finally second in line to get this chicken sandwich. I got one person up here serving, waiting. Anticipation is building for this sandwich. Can I get one original chicken sandwich? That's it. You said it's not spicy, so I don't want it if it ain't spicy. I'm not gonna eat both of them sandwiches. Good. It better be good. Okay, y'all. So look. Finally got my hands on this Popeye chicken sandwich. The line is ridiculous. First of all, I'm still sitting outside of Popeyes, well, right on next to it, and these people, it's like, I'm gonna, let me get a piece of your sandwich. I'm like, first of all, I just waited 45 minutes for the sandwich. No. They talk about get both, get the spicy, get the original. And people talk about, so well, the spicy sandwich ain't even spicy. So here's the sandwich. And we're about to try it, y'all. I'm so nervous. Okay. Okay. Ready? Okay. Y'all see that? Let me take it off. Hold on. Do y'all see this? I don't like, oh, look at this. I don't like pickles on my sandwich. I love pickles, but I just can't eat pickles on burgers, something like this. We about to see.
Really, nigga?
Yo, let me tell you everybody. I'm sorry, but this sandwich is not what it's hyped to be at all. I just stood in line for 45 minutes for this. This tastes like a Popeyes chicken tender with bread and whatever this sauce is. Sorry if you can't see it, and pickles. And then it just like, look at this. Look at this. Like, the sandwich is good, yes. But it is not what it's hyped out to be, I'm sorry. Man, I'm about to try it. With these pickles, I don't like pickles on my sandwich, you got to see. Pickles is not bad on here. It's not. But I need more flavor. I need more sauce. Like Chick-fil-A got Chick-fil-A sauce Polynesian. Like, I need that. The chicken's not seasoned. Like, I don't no salt and pepper, no. I ain't probably no garlic powder, no nothing. It's just like a chicken breast on his sandwich smothered with a sauce and pickles. like, I've never tried the original Chick-fil-A sandwich, so I don't just get the sandwich with the meat and the pickles. Get the spicy chicken sandwich, spicy chicken deluxe sandwich, actually. Spicy chicken, very big. Lettuce, tomatoes, pepper jack. Everybody was in Popeyes like, yes, you gonna like it, get the spicy, get the original. Mind you, they tell me the spicy isn't even spicy, so I'm not about to waste my money to get spicy, and it's not spicy because I do like spicy stuff, so that's what I want. I want spicy. Nah, spicy. It's people out here like, oh my god, this Popeye chicken sandwich is back. It's back. We gotta get it. Like, bro, this shit is not even that good. It's not. I'm sorry, it's not that good. If you want an honest review, it's not that good. It's not what y'all hyped it up to be.
Day 2.
I'm back in Popeyes again, y'all. It's a line still.
I watch my food.
I've been in here a good 30 minutes at least.
Hey, hurry up the chicken sandwich. Y'all going slow as fuck.
Not much.
Dang.
Okay, y'all. So I'm like, it's kind of early. I want to get another Popeye sandwich because I'm hungry. I'm like, it's good, but it's like, I didn't try the spicy chicken one, and I want to try it now because everybody keep hyping it. So I'm like, God, spicy. Let's see. Spicy. And I got another original. So what happened today is I was sitting in line and I was talking and I'm like, does anybody want me to get their sunscreen or whatever? The lady was like, oh, well, you get my iPad. Honey, you get, I'm like, I'm only getting one. She like, I pay for your sandwich, I even get you two. I'm like, period. I want a spicy and a regular. So some other people hopped on the tab too. Well, you can't really see, but I ended up getting 5 spicy chicken sandwiches and 2 classics. Spicy chicken sandwich. Like, sorry, it's kind of sunny. Let's see. I waited an hour today. Like, it was worth it because somebody was paying for my food. Like, look. And they use a different sauce. For the spicy chicken sandwiches. And I am so mad because they ran out of voodoo heat. The lady said it was good with voodoo heat. Because, with the voodoo sauce, because they don't have sweet heat. And I like sweet heat. They didn't have any more voodoo sauce, and I'm so mad because the lady told me about it in front of me. She got the last of it, and we don't got any more because they don't have any sweet heat, and sweet heat is my favorite sauce. Look at that. This will actually look so much better than yesterday. So let's try it with the pickle spicy grill. I'll tell you it's a little heat, but it's not. But if I had to choose between the 2 sandwiches, I would say original. I'm tasting the heat, but it's just like, I expected so much more flavor out of Popeyes. I'm not going to give it a thumbs down because I would eat it again. I would try it, but it's not better than Chick-fil-A, I'm sorry. It's not just something you, oh my God, the craze, the hype about. No. Right on. This is not a mukbang. And I'm hungry today, so I'm going to eat the sandwich. I'm not about to be all on here smacking. My final thoughts on the sandwiches is I prefer the original or the classic over spicy because the spicy is not really spicy. It has a little heat, but I feel like the chicken could be more seasoned or they could have better sauce pairings or something. It's just missing something. I don't know if they should add cheese. I really don't know, but it's not better than Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is always going to win for numerous amounts of reasons. But if you like Popeyes and you want to try this sandwich, I suggest you go out and try it. It's not bad. It's just not what it's hyped up to be. It's not what it's cracked up to be. Y'all losing your minds over. I heard people in there talk about this. They putting crack in the chicken. That's why they're addicted. Somebody talk about they going to stab somebody for the sandwich. I'm like, excuse me. It's not that deep. But, that is it for my Popeyes review on both of these sandwiches, this spicy and this classic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that bell to get post notifications to get alerted for every time that I post. And I will see you guys later. Peace.